In my last video about Coinbase stock, it was October 5th, so we were right around here, and I was hoping that we were going to eventually break out of this trend, which did end up happening like some days after we did start having that W motion. And then we came down a little bit, retested this level, right? Because this was another resistance level. And then we had this big W pretty much leg up. And this was earlier this week. There was a lot of Bitcoin. I mean, honestly, I think it was just a bunch of extraness, to be honest, because it really wasn't anything crazy that was going on. I mean, there was a lot of talk with the big banks and BlackRock and stuff, but it wasn't nothing really set in stone. It was just a lot of just talk, right? So we came up, we broke through a lot of the levels just with that happening, but we didn't come back and sit down on this trend line, and that's what I was saying that we needed to do in order to keep going up. Now, I obviously said that within that, obviously not financial advice, but if there was news that came out, then it would change a little bit of what was happening, and that was the news that came out. And obviously now it's selling off a whole lot, and it's going back, retesting a whole bunch of levels. Right now we're retesting this level. All of these are the same, they have not been changed. We're now retesting the $70 range, $71 range. In that last video on October 5th, we were about the $73. Yeah, we were right in here, and I said wouldn't be a bad idea to start buying, right? So you a few dollar cost average in here, then you had time to sell like in here if it was like short term and stuff. You were in profit up here, you know what I'm saying, coming from all the way down here to all the way up there, right? And then even right now, you're not even down that bad. So definitely wasn't financial advice, but definitely wasn't the worst thing a YouTuber has said, right? So now we're retesting this level here. If we break down, then obviously the floor is the limit, right? So we could keep coming back down, but these are some really nice numbers right here, but still I haven't really formed my bag up yet. I don't know, with the current state of the economy, definitely buying Carvana, but this one right here, I'm looking for more in here, and it doesn't look like we're really far off from there, so we shall see. This definitely is not a bad time to dollar cost if you want to, but me personally, I'm waiting to see a little bit of something else. I mean, from here to here is not really that big of a deal, right? So even if I start in right here, it's not that big of a deal versus right around here where I'm saying, and versus right here where it could be, right? So yeah, that's just my plan. You don't have to follow it or agree with it, but I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll keep you guys updated on exactly what happens.